Now I would like to explain on coconut milk. So coconut milk, it's having many nutrients value, and also it's having highest antioxidant, and many research articles states that this coconut milk will kills the cancerous cell. Now I am suggesting this for the cancer patients to take at least 2 glasses of this coconut milk. In each coconut we can extract up to 2 glasses. Okay, so now I will explain you how to prepare it. Firstly, you should grate the coconut, and thereafter grated coconut you have to put it in the mixie. And afterwards you put little water in the mixie according to the requirement. Say for example, if you want to prepare 200 ml, that means 1 cup of this coconut milk, at least 150 ml water you have to put it in the mixie, and you mix it properly. Thereby that milk will get released, and accordingly you can grind that grated coconut twice for getting 1 glass of milk. Now I am just putting again, after filtering the first portion of milk, for obtaining again second time from the same grated coconut. Now second time also I have mixed it effectively, and now I am filtering that mixed one. Now we have got a beautiful coconut milk. Now after filtering the grated coconut, we have got the milk in this way, and every day the cancer patients have to take at least twice, morning and evening, or whatever the time which is comfortable to them. This is a coconut milk.